So today what I'm going to be doing, I've come down here at Surrey Street Market to see Joseph to basically get some fresh produces to cook and also give back to the local community and also help the homeless and needy people. Yeah, so this is my 5th week in Croydon, actually giving back to the local community. I've set a mission to do it for 10 weeks, so I've got four weeks more.
Are good vibes. Release stress. Feed the homeless. Ringo vision on a mission.
Yeah man, a good vibe.
Release stress. Him feed the homeless. Ringo vision on a mission. Could have a 9 to 5, him never fi do it. Love all people, him just love the street. Him just love the street. Ringo could have a 9 to 5, him never fi do it. Love all people, him just love the street. Him just love the street. Power, release stress. Ringo feed the homeless. Ringo vision on a mission.
So first of all, I want to welcome everybody on the program, people. I'm Ringo Vision, and yes, it's something a little bit different. I'm giving you a behind the scenes and give you a little bit of feeling, you understand, while we watch this video together and talk about it and give you guys the insight. You guys have been absolutely amazing, you understand, on the journey. This is week number 7 now. We're out, you understand, in the community, just giving back and just helping the homeless, you understand, people, yeah. One love to each and every one of you that have been subscribed, that's been following the movement. You understand, it's a cooking channel, but now we've taken the journey of setting a target to feed 1 million people. And I hope every single one of you guys get involved and just back the whole movement and just travel with us on the journey as one. You understand, people, yeah? That's what it's all about. I've been out in Croydon for the last few weeks, you understand? And I'm hoping to go into different areas like Camden. Camden has a population, and Westminster has a population of 2,050 homeless people sleeping rough. So we're going to tackle that area, people, yeah? That is it, our good vibes. Big up yourself, everyone, yeah?
Was there stabbing here yesterday?
Yeah, yesterday. In the shop down here.
Oh, wow.
A 15-year-old and a 16-year-old came to steal some things from a man, and then...
So that's why I call the association chair. We call more policing in our street. We need to keep our place safe.
Chef, you're good? Yes. So today we're coming to spread some love in the community. So we're going to cook some food today, and we're going to hand it out to the local community and just rekindle back some of the love and, you know, like, because there's what's going on in the area. We're just coming out there with a pot.
Look at you!
The gas canister.
Oh my gosh, you just to cook for them?
Yeah, just to cook for the community. Because there's a lot of things going on. And I called Joseph, and Joseph said, Ringo, come down, and then we're going to get ingredients first, and we're just going to cook fresh and give it to the community.
So
And just spread some
nice.
love, because a lot of people are doing other stuff, but we have to reach out.
We do last 3-4 months we're doing that.
And what's your organisation? What is it?
I'm on YouTube,
Yeah.
and it's just Ringo Vision. My organisation is just myself.
And you just go out and help people?
Yeah, that's it.
One more thing. You know, they help us for the election, you know that. I make a video, thousands of people see. Did you see that?
Yes, I saw you did one.
Yeah, this they are the one
they did it?
support me to make that. We make a video, and because they have a good US as well in Croydon. They have 2 million viewers.
Next week Sunday, on the 21st, I've got a stall to cook for the community that love Foodie. Yeah, so I'll be here doing like next Sunday cooking.
And you're on Instagram as well?
Yeah.
Just look up Ringo.
Ringo Vision.
Can I do a little video of you? You tell people what
Yeah.
you, because I'm one of the councillors.
Okay.
I can share it.
Yeah.
And hopefully it will spread the word.
That's good, that's
If
good,
I do
yeah.
a video for him.
Yeah.
A good vibe,
I'm not a professional though. Mine's not very good.
Croydon. So today what I'm going to be doing, I've come down here at Surrey Street Market to see Joseph to basically get some fresh produces to cook and also give back to the local community and also help the homeless and needy people here. So this is my 5th week in Croydon actually giving back to the local community. I've set a mission to do it for 10 weeks, so I've got four weeks more just to see the leverage of effect that we can get across the board of doing it more than once, so like repeatedly, like a domino effect basically, and hopefully that will trickle down to get people that may be shoplifting for food and hanging around on the high street and maybe calling drug dealers to pick up stuff, getting them off the high street and having the high street a little bit cleaner, so less them hanging around from the school kids. And because you know, like young kids, they're always intrigued of what's going on the high street. So if they see abnormal activities, they will hang around, they will be intrigued. It's like watching a movie. So if we can clean up the movie of what's actually happening, there'll be less things happening in our community and people feel more safer. Come out, kids, mums and dads.
That's lovely.
Oh, we at the where we had at the outreach, we feed people. We cook for like 50 people every other Saturday. We give food parcels. We like hand out clothes and shoes. We look after the homeless, and I go out there and I do talk to young people. We witnessing with young people, because a lot of young people needed to be need a place. They need a place. They need to be. Some of them they don't understand why things is happening, and sometimes it's trust, and they need somebody who they could trust.
Yes.
And because of trust issue and the system, how the system is working at the moment, they find themselves left out.
Yes.
So it's good to encourage them that, you know what I mean, they're the future, and give them wise word of wisdom.
That is
Yeah?
it. So we're out here, and we have to big up yourself as well, because we're on the same mission, out here looking after the community and helping and giving back. Yeah, good vibes.
So yes, good vibes, and it's good to give back, because you know what, we never know what tomorrow might bring, and you know what I mean, we have to be your brothers and sisters keeper.
That is it.
You know?
Yeah.
And enough love. Stay blessed. God
Stay
bless.
All right. Everyone, first and foremost, I would like to thank everyone that has been tuned in on this mission, giving back to the local community, feeding the homeless. It has absolutely been an amazing journey so far. We've done 6 weeks, and we've got community barbecue on the 21st, which is Sunday, July. Everyone, if you can be there, be there. It's going to be an amazing day. Just people from the local community, people from outside the community, just coming together as one and just sharing a oneness. You understand, people? Yeah. Look, I've been out in Croydon for the last 6 weeks, non-stop, 3 days, 2 days minimum per week, just to try and build back and give back to the local community. There's a lot of homeless people in Croydon, sleeping in and around Croydon, in the borough, different places, all spread out. You understand? And I've come across some that has had food for no days, for a few days, drip jabs, and I've also had people that have had nowhere to sleep for weeks, for months, no house over there, no house, no roofing. You understand? They're sleeping rough. So it's been a challenge coming out, and it's very touching as well, just to see the environments and the conditions of the individuals, and know that life has brought some down this road. But we're not here to go on about that, people. Yeah, we're here to help those that are in need. And what Ringo Vision is out doing is out trying to touch base with individuals in local community that actually want to come out and give back, give a helping hand. Do you understand? Spread the awareness, spread the love. That's what it's about, everybody. Yeah. giving back to our local communities where we can. I'm not saying that everyone can give something from the pocket, but you understand, sometimes you can come out and do some outreach, and you understand, and some give back in that way. You understand, people? Yeah, big up yourself. We outside, man, and I put in the work. 24-hour kitchen are good vibes. Big up yourself. Cooking, giving back to the local community. Ben, big up yourself. Ben there as well.
Big up always. We're here. Big up Chef Ricardo. You know, we're just here spreading the awareness. People are amazing.
It smells very good.
Thank you. Vegetables. Come beside. Come on. Watch it. Green banana, potato, pumpkin.
I want to also thank the friends that have been participating as and when they can. So just a little big up as well, people, yeah. So big up Chef Ricardo, big up Fend, big up Wets, you understand? Big up Marky Mark. It's been a good vibe so far on the journey, everyone, yeah. I've done some research, and the research that I've done was to check to see what's the highest population of homeless people in and around London, and it came back with the area of Westminster being the highest, having 2,050 people homeless living rough on the street. And then next in line was the area called Camden, everyone, yeah. So look out. We're going to be in Westminster. We're also going to be touching Camden as well, people, yeah. We're not going to highlight nowhere yet, but just stay tuned on the journey if you have been following on the journey. And we are going to be touching a few places and understand, doing a lot of outreach over the next couple of weeks, especially now while we're in a summertime where it's trying to help those before the winter period gets in. You understand, people, yeah? And trying to rearrange and change some of the mindsets of individuals and give them good encouragements. You understand, people, yeah? Good vibes, big up yourself. That is it. I know some of you are wondering what made me want to do this, and it's nothing special and it's nothing big. It's just a simple thing, like just getting up one day, and it was the order of the day. And what I mean by it was the order of the day, it was the message that was ringing more than once, more than twice in my head, through my thoughts. So I actioned it. But earlier, previously, before this, I was in and out doing bits and bobs throughout the local community and with the homeless for the last 3 years. But of recent times, it was a direct calling, I feel, and a message sent, and I'm actioning it until further notice, everybody. So that's why we're on the mission right now. We're 6 weeks in, and I've set a target of 1 million people. Yes, 1 million people. Let's see how far or how much we can reach by the end of the year, everybody. Yeah, so with the support of you guys and with the encouragement and with all the help, I just feel like we can either hit that number or be very close or be on a very good target towards you understand, that end goal. So let's go, everybody. That is it. We're on the mission right now. We're out at the moment. You can see we're touching the streets with the shopping trolley. We've been cooking a lot of variations of soups, you understand, people, yeah, and giving back to the people, because the soups, they're carrying a lot of nutrients, and we feel like the individuals that are actually sleeping rough and not having no food, I do strongly believe that they're not eating 3 times a day. So even if it's the one meal that they are getting, must be like a good meal that's got the right nutrients that can not just fill their stomach, but put some good vitamins and some good nutrition back into their body, you understand? And just help them until the next time they get some meal, you understand? Our good vibes, people, yeah. But differently, yeah, it's all about the support, and it's all about giving back, and we're on the mission. So just stay tuned, people, yeah, because we're on a journey right now, and I hope you guys are enjoying the journey of what's going on. All the commenting from each and every one of you. I've been reading, I've been going through all the comments. Big up yourself. Our good vibes. All right, you see, say operation I go on the streets though. All right, that is it. I thought that he was homeless, but he's also an officer in operation, people. So, all right, that is it. Get your acts together, people, yeah. Helping and feeding the what? The homeless. Good vibes. Big up yourself. Always, everybody, yeah. Just remember that we're on the mission, and the mission is about giving back. It's about helping our community. It's about putting back the love in our community, rekindling the love. You understand, people, yeah? There's enough people out on the roadside sleeping rough, not eating for days. You understand? So let's just try and do what we can do when we can do what we can do. You understand, people? Yeah, good vibes, and big up yourself. Once again, that is it. One love, everybody. Come on, this has been an absolute amazing journey. Guess what? This video should have come out a day before, but it's come out after because we've been so busy. The community barbecue was absolutely amazing. The council cancelled it, but guess what? We came out anyway. Look out for that video, everybody, yeah? And you guys are absolutely what? Fabulous. We're on 10k subscribers, everybody. That is it. Welcome on the journey. If you've just followed on the journey, those of you that's been on the journey all this time, thank you. Big up yourself. One love.